Welcome. Let's solve question number 46 and 45, objective text for WASSCE 2023 June. So in the diagram, M and R are points on the circle with the center O. The angle here is given as 48 and the angle at N is also given as 124. So we have to find the angle OMN. So let me just label this. We have to find angle what? X. Alright, so looking at the properties of circle theorem, if we are looking at the point MNO RO, that is a quadrilateral. But the O is not touching here, so it is not a cyclic quadrilateral. So it is just a mere quadrilaterals, which use properties of quadrilateral, which says that the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral add up to what? 360. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So give us what? 360. But this is what we are looking for. It is unknown. The angle here is also unknown. So we need to find this angle before we can be able to find the x. But if you look at the arc MR, this is an arc MR, sustain the angle 124 at the circumference. The arc MR sustain the angle 124 at the circumference. The same arc sustain the angle, which is the reflex angle at the center here. And we know the property that says that angle sustained by an arc at the center is twice the one at the circumference, the one at the center. So the reflex angle, the angle here, which is MOR, equals to 2 times the angle at the circumference. That's the property. The angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference, and that will give us 248 degrees. This angle here. And we know that reflex angle and the obtuse angle produce angle meeting at a point. If I'm using here as y and this very angle meet at a point. Therefore, the reflex angle MOR plus the obtuse angle, the same MOR. If I add these two angles, I should be getting what? 360. That is the property of angle meeting at a point. So if this reflex angle is known as 248, then the obtuse angle MOR is going to be 360 minus 248. And that is going to be, let's say, 1, 1, 2. This will be 10 plus this to be 6. So we are going to have 112. That is the angle y here. But we are also aware that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral. So sum of angle in a quadrilateral equals what? 360. Therefore, the angle I am looking for, OMN, is going to be equals to 360 minus 124 minus 48 minus the very angle that we just found as what? 112. So this is just simply means we are adding all these numbers and we subtract it from what? 360. So we have 360 minus, if we add this is going to be 160. So 160 give us 280 what? 4. And subtracting 284 from this, we are going to have 284. This will give us 6, 5, 15, 2. And that will give us what? 7. So it means the angle we are looking for is just what? 76 degrees. This very angle that the question asks us to find using the properties of circle what? theorem. All right. Then number 45. We are asked to find log 75 base A if log 3 base A equals to m and log 5 base A equals to p. So what we need to do is that we need to be able to write 75 in terms of 3 and 5 to be able to get the m and p in our solution. So I know that 3 times 25 gave me 75, and 25 is also 5 times 5, which is in terms of 5. So I'll be writing log 75 base A equals to log 25 times 5 base A. Then the property that says that if I'm multiplying two numbers, I can add their logarithm. Meaning I'll be having log 25 base A plus, I think this is supposed to be 3. 325 give us what? 75. So log what? 3 base A. So this is not given to us, but 5 is given. So we rewrite this in terms of 5. Log 5 exponent 2 base A plus log 3 base A. One law also says that exponent comes to multiply the log as the third law. So 2 as the exponent multiplying log 5 base A, log 3 base A. So now whenever I see log 5 base A, I introduce P. Whenever I see log 3 base A, I introduce M. So 2 times P plus M will become the final expression for log 75 base A. The laws of logarithm, the addition law and the law of power of exponent. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Come back for question 44 and 43. Bye-bye.